Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and if you have a growing coin collection and you have nowhere to put it, then you need to see this. This here is the AppBite 120 pocket coin flip holder, and it's a total game changer for keeping your collection organized because it is a standard 2x2-inch slot. What that means is that, yes, you can put in coins by themselves, but if you have them in these cards, it's gonna fit. You're going to be able to store 120 of these per album. And what I love most about this album is this is a stay flat album on the desk. A lot of albums tend to want to close on you if you're trying to show somebody, or you take this to a show. You're constantly having to like put something here to hold this side down. This is going to stay open so you can turn the pages and keep going to show all your coins to your friends or to try to trade or sell. And this will keep everything organized. The pages are made out of a transparent PVC, which is designed to protect the collection from dust and moisture, and it's very durable. So your cardboard flips in here and it'll look good on the shelf and stay clean. And the pages are made of a thick transparent PVC, which is designed to protect your collection from like dust and moisture. Again, this book is very durable, has a nice look on it. You can go ahead and get a bunch of these as your collection starts to grow and keep these nice and organized. It's compact, it's professional, and honestly, this here just makes your hobby more fun. It's enjoyable to just look through the pages and see the things you've collected and stay organized. So this is really high quality for your home collection, and I highly recommend picking one of these up.